Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Cybex Travel Stroller is probably one of the most innovative and stylish travel systems on the market. Designed with both parent and child in mind, this stroller offers a seamless blend of functionality, comfort, and design. From its compact fold to its smooth ride, the Cybex Travel Stroller is engineered to make your travels with your little one as effortless and enjoyable as possible, ensuring you can navigate any terrain with ease and in style. Number 5. Jovial Lightweight Baby Stroller. This lightweight stroller is designed for easy travel. It features a compact folding design, making it simple to carry and store. It's perfect for fitting into car trunks and overhead compartments. Your baby's comfort is a priority. This stroller includes a reclining seat and adjustable leg rest, allowing your little one to sit up or lie down. The soft, padded seat ensures a cozy ride. Safety is built into every detail. The stroller has a 5-point safety harness, locking front wheels, and a foot-activated parking brake. The aluminum frame and all-terrain wheels provide a safe and smooth ride. This stroller is designed for convenience. It has a retractable canopy to protect from the sun, and a storage basket for essentials. It's perfect for everyday use. Designed for busy parents, it folds in seconds with one hand. Whether traveling or storing away, its compact fold makes it the perfect companion for families on the go. With 65 years of trust, quality, and USA-based servicing, we ensure lasting support and reliability for our valued customers. What we like? This stroller is incredibly lightweight and folds up with just one hand, making it perfect for busy parents. It offers a safe and comfortable ride with its reclining seat and 5-point harness. If you're always on the go and need a stroller that's easy to maneuver and store, this is the one for you. What people say. The stroller is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The one-hand fold is a game changer. The stroller is very compact when folded. Number 4. Cybex Libelle 2 Lightweight Travel Stroller. Introducing the Cybex Libelle 2, the perfect travel companion for your little one. This lightweight stroller folds down incredibly small, making it easy to carry and store. It's designed for ultimate convenience on the go. Weighing just 13.7 pounds, this stroller is designed to meet carry-on requirements. Its compact fold allows you to easily store it in overhead compartments or small spaces. Always check with your airline for specific guidelines. The Libelle 2 is travel system ready, compatible with Cybex infant car seats. This feature allows you to seamlessly transition from car to stroller. Adapters are included for easy attachment. Featuring a one-hand adjustable recline, including a near-flat position, and an adjustable leg rest, the Libelle 2 ensures ergonomic comfort. The one-pull harness secures your child quickly and easily. Protect your child from the sun with the XL Sun Canopy, offering UPF 50+ protection. This feature provides shade and safeguards your child's delicate skin during outdoor adventures. The stroller provides steady handling and a comfortable ride, thanks to its smooth front wheel suspension. It ensures a smooth ride for your little one, even on uneven surfaces. What we like? This stroller is designed with travel in mind, being carry-on compliant and incredibly lightweight. It's also travel system ready, allowing you to attach your Cybex car seat. If you are looking for a stroller that simplifies air travel and offers convenience, this is a great choice. What people say. It's super lightweight, fits easily in the overhead compartment, and handled European streets with no issues. Folding and unfolding is simple, and it's comfortable for my little one. Compact, multifunctional stroller for smooth paved paths and airports flights. Durable too. Number 3. Gromast Lightweight Folding Baby Stroller, Black. This stroller folds automatically with a simple press of a button. Once folded, it stands upright on its own, making it easy to store and lift. It's perfect for parents on the go, fitting easily into car trunks or closets. Designed for travel, this stroller weighs only 16 pounds. It folds effortlessly and is easy to carry. Its compact size makes it ideal for flights and tight spaces, perfect for daily outings and shopping. The stroller features an extra-wide seat with ample space for your child. It includes a 5-point harness and an adjustable backrest and footrest for maximum comfort. Your little one will enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride. It has a zip-out, for position-adjustable UPF 50+ canopy for sun protection and airflow. A peekaboo window allows you to keep an eye on your child. A decent-sized basket underneath provides storage for essentials. Crafted with UV-resistant fabric, this stroller is stylish and easy to clean. The frame is made from durable, lightweight aviation-grade aluminum. It's an excellent choice for frequent travelers. The all-wheel suspension handles bumps for a smooth ride on any terrain. A one-step brake ensures instant safety and control. Your baby will always be comfortable thanks to the well-padded seat. What we like? This stroller features an automatic, one-hand folding mechanism, making it incredibly convenient. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for travel and daily use. If you like the idea of a stroller that folds itself and offers great sun protection, this is the one for you. What people say. The stroller folds up compactly. It is lightweight and easy to carry. The stroller has a smooth ride. Number 2. Britax Willow Grove SC Travel System. Introducing the Britax Willow Grove SC Travel System. This combo includes an infant car seat, a car seat base, and a stroller, providing a complete travel solution for your little one. Britax is the only brand with ClickTight technology. This feature ensures a secure and confident installation every time, giving you peace of mind from the very first ride. The rear-facing car seat features the right-size system. This system offers adjustable points at the hips, shoulders, and between the legs, ensuring a comfortable and customized fit for your baby. The Grove stroller is designed for children from birth up to 50 pounds. It offers multiple modes, including baby mode, toddler mode, and infant mode when paired with the car seat, adapting to your child's needs. The Cozy Fit insert allows babies as small as 10 pounds to ride comfortably in the stroller seat. As your child grows, the insert can be removed to accommodate children up to 50 pounds. This lightweight stroller features all-wheel suspension and no flat tires. This design ensures a smooth and steady ride for your little one, no matter the terrain. The travel system provides a UPF 50+ canopy with a flip-down sunshade. This feature offers excellent protection from the sun and other elements, ensuring comfortable cruising on any day. What we like? This travel system offers the security of ClickTight technology for a secure car seat installation. It combines a stroller and infant car seat, providing a complete travel solution. If you are looking for a travel system that prioritizes safety and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. The stroller is incredibly easy to fold and unfold. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Momcozy ClickGo Lightweight Stroller. This stroller folds itself with just one click on the handlebar. It's incredibly easy to open too, perfect for parents on the go. You can master it in seconds, even with your hands full. The compact design makes it easy to store in your car or even the overhead bin of a plane. It's designed to be travel-friendly, but always check with your airline for specific carry-on rules. The stroller offers a smooth ride with 360-degree swiveling front wheels and all-wheel suspension. The extendable UPF 50+ canopy, adjustable recline, leg rest, and 5-point harness create a cozy and safe space for your baby. Weighing only 19.6 pounds, this lightweight stroller is easy to carry. You can carry it by the bumper bar or use the included travel bag. It makes navigating stairs and public transport a breeze. It comes with a snack tray, bumper bar, rain cover, travel bag, and parent cup holder. These accessories add convenience to every adventure, making it a complete package for you and your little one. What we like? This stroller folds and unfolds with a single click, making it incredibly user-friendly. It's compact enough to be carry-on approved, perfect for air travel. If you are looking for a stroller that combines convenience with a smooth and comfortable ride for your baby, this is the one for you. What people say. The stroller is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The compact fold is a game-changer for travel and storage. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.